Okay.
Okay. Put your hands. There you go. Go. Okay. Okay. Got it? Here. First, put your foot like this and put your heel. Now, do you want to ride with one hand or two hands?
Probably two hands.
Okay. So, like this. Now you don't have to worry about where the reins are. Just where your hands are. So, make sure your hands are like even. Now to the wall. To the wall.
Sorry.
It's okay. Just bring him to the wall. There you go. Perfect.
See, he'll just move right off your feet, honey.
But he's more comfortable using his hands. I think.
That's fine.
Well.
Stirrups are a little too long for him, too.
Can't make him go any shorter.
I know. That's all right. Maybe I'll
Just
go.
keep pulling to the wall. Nope, you're pulling to the inside. There you go.
I'm going to go out so that I can video from one place. But I don't want to stop it so that they think that we're cutting it pieces out, because we're not. Nothing to cut out. I mean, kind of good old boy.
Actually, stop. Hold on too low. So only pick up your reins when he's not to the wall, okay? Okay, now drop your hands because he's going to the wall. Nope, drop your no.
I miss your Pepper.
Whoa.
As soon as he's to the wall, you can shoot him. Drop your hand, or else you're constantly going like this. Okay?
You got it. Nice. Yeah, that's his reward. Go off. Perfect. Okay, so keep making sure he's to the wall.
You make a good cowboy, Cody.
Do it. Up. Get into the wall first. You have to start at the wall first and start up. Don't pull back. Don't to the side. There you go. Now drop. Kick it really hard. Harder. To the wall. To the wall. To the wall. To the wall.
Click to him.
Go on, kick him.
And
Now
put,
kick him.
and put your hand down.
He's got to bring him to the wall.
Well, he just keeps picking his hand up.
Okay. Now put your hand down. Kick it. Kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick it. Kick, kick. Harder. Harder. You're almost there. Kick. Hard kick.
Yes, you can.
Every time you say you can't, you're not trying. Kick, kick. Okay, go to the wall. Okay. Okay, so next you go to the wall and then press with this leg and get him to the wall.
Ah.
Now go. Kick really hard. All your might. Come on. There you go.
It's okay. Just keep your hand down.
What?
Keep his hand down because he picked his hand up.
To the wall, to the wall, to the wall.
Sorry.
Come on. Yeah, kick. Keep kicking.
There you go.
Go to the wall. To the wall.
Usually you can just click. There you go.
Kick, kick, kick. Come on, keep kicking. Come on. To the wall, to the wall.
Pepper's like, put your hand down.
Come on, you're doing great. Don't give up. Keep going.
I ain't giving up.
To the wall. To the wall.
Hi.
Kick, 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 kick. Every time you put your hand up to the wall, kick.
Okay, now pick your hand up and make him whoa.
Say whoa.
Whoa.
Okay, now turn him around and go the other way.
Nice. Now kick.
He's and click to him. Come on, Pepper. You can see how smooth he is. There you go. Nice swinging trot. That's him. That's good. Say whoa. Yeah. Okay, that was good. Let's take the saddle off. How do I make it stop?